In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a table on canva.com. So if you are new here my channel, please like and subscribe this channel for the next video. So first of all, you need to log in with your Gmail on canva.com. Then I opened a design here. So just click on now elements. When you click on elements, then this is a charts filter. Just click on table. When you click on table, you again go graphics, then you are able to input lots of table chart here. Example of this one, this is a fantastic table and also available more. So just go here, then I opened this design. So wow, this is a look like more beautiful and gorgeous. So just go here, then input example of kalam. Just this is method. You are able to lots of here is a lots of option. You are able to input text, delete raw, delete everything above the raw. Okay, you can transfer it easily here. So raw size actually equally raw size to content, size column to content, everything you are able to customizable. So if you are not interested to add this table, just click on here, then input more design. Here the also available more. So just click on here. Wow, this is more beautiful. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.